Here's how to change phone number on Facebook. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can exactly change phone number on your Facebook account. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So first, you basically need to go to Facebook. So yeah, here we are in Facebook, and first thing, you need to make sure that you're logged in inside your account and you've basically you got the account that you want to change your number for. So okay, so once you're inside the account, just go to the menu right on the corner, and once you're inside menu, just go ahead and press on the gear icon on the top corner right next to the search icon. Just simply press on that, and here it will take you to settings and privacy. Here it will show you some options, but you simply need to go ahead and press on see more in account center. Once you go over here, it will show your profiles and everything, but you simply need to go ahead and press on personal details, because that's where we're going to change our phone number. In personal details, we'll see some options just like that, but we need to directly go into contact info because we want to change the phone number. So here we go. Once inside contact info, you'll be able to see your email and phone number. So here you get two options. You can either add a newer phone number by just pressing on add new contact and add mobile number. So now you can add a mobile number directly. But if you want to remove your current phone number and add another one, like you want to change it and put another one instead of it, so you simply need to press on your current phone number. You will be able to see it if you have your phone number information inside your Facebook. So you just simply need to go ahead and press on that, and then it will show your number and your accounts that are linked with the number, and it will show you delete number. So here you can directly delete the number from your Facebook if you press delete number, and it will ask you if you want to delete it. I don't want to delete it, but if you want to, you can just go ahead and press on delete, and it will simply ask you to add a newer number after that. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can change phone number on Facebook. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.